I've been working on the playlists on my channel, and today we're going to have a look at the home page, how to navigate those playlists, find the workout that you want to do. I had a really good suggestion from one of you, one viewer, Tina. Hi, Tina. And her suggestion was to create playlists that are week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So it's a month of workouts, and each playlist has 7 workouts. There's a variety there. So we'll get into that. By the way, I'll link Tina's channel down in the description if you want to check that out. And let's have a look at Fitness Over 50 with Suncoast Fit together. If we haven't met before, I'm Sandra. I design workouts for over age 50 so that you and I can take care of our health and fitness together. Here we are on my home page, Fitness Over 50 with Suncoast Fit. If you are already subscribed, this is what it will look like. If you're not subscribed, a video will pop up. That's my introductory video. As we scroll down, we have the For You section, which are videos that YouTube thinks that you will like. So it looks like YouTube thinks I should do a workout right now. And then keep scrolling down. Videos is chronologically ordered videos that I have posted. Underneath that, I now have this new section called Weekly Playlists. So here is where I have done week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and each one has 7 videos. If we click on underneath here, it says week 1, updated today, view full playlist. I'm going to click on that to view it. And here it is. So this is week 1. We have 7 videos. And for each week, I have picked a variety. So on day 1, you're doing a walking interval workout. Day 2 is a quick movement break. I call these exercise snacks. This one's about 7.5 minutes, focused on bone boosting exercises. The next one is light dumbbell workout. Then we have a shorter stretching flexibility workout, just under 10 minutes. Core toning with resistance bands, and side hip strengthening and stretch. Pick them this way to be a variety. So some days it is 10 minutes of stretching, and then other days it's a half an hour with a dumbbell. You could also choose to combine them. For example, you could do the light weights total body workout and then right away go into the stretching video. All of my workouts always end with cool down stretches, but if you want a little more stretching, you could add that on, for example. Or if you're working out 3 days out of the week, you can still come here and choose out of this week which 3 you want to do. If you'd like to save this week 1, we click here to save to the library, and then you come over here on the left, click playlists, and you'll see that this has been saved, week 1 playlist. Let's go back. We'll go back to my home page, and I'll just check out one other of these playlists. Again, view full playlist. Let's have a look at week 2. I have 7 different videos here. And this one has no jumping cardio, energize your legs, leg and hip workout, another stretching routine, resistance bands, a shorter standing workout, exercise snack, improving balance, and then a dumbbell workout. So again, you can see it's a variety. Under the weekly playlists, I have other playlists. So if you're coming here and you're wanting an all standing, no equipment workout, then you have a playlist for that. If you are interested in these quick movement breaks, exercise snacks, you just want to have less than 10 minutes of getting up from sitting, add some movement to your day, that's where these ones are. Most of them are under 10 minutes, but they're all under 15 minutes. I have some that I chose to be in a playlist called Beginner Friendly and Gentler Routines. Then if you want to use your resistance bands or you want to use your dumbbells, there are playlists to check out there, etc. So come to the home page and check all of this out. You can comment below this video. Is this helpful for you? Do you have any other ideas? I always read all of your comments. Love the feedback. So let's keep taking care of our health and fitness together. I'm so glad you're here, and I'll see you on a workout.